Join me today as we tour Dearborn Heights, Michigan. Welcome home to this 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch located in Dearborn Heights neighborhood Pardee Ave LVD sub. This home boasts an open floor plan, plenty of storage, 3-bedroom brick ranch in a peaceful, well-maintained neighborhood, and a beautifully updated oak kitchen with new countertops, ceramic tile flooring, and a dishwasher. Fresh carpet throughout. Features outdoor pool and jacuzzi. Conveniently located near Pardee Elementary, just a block away, and the top-rated junior high is within walking distance. Enjoy the spacious, tree-lined backyard and a 2-car garage for extra storage and parking. This home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. This property offers an ideal blend of convenience and comfort, with nearby schools, parks, shopping, and dining. Notable features include a modern kitchen and a spacious backyard. Don't miss the chance to make this house your home. Contact us for a showing today. Properties like this don't last long. Schedule a showing and explore this exciting investment opportunity. Thinking of selling your home? Now is a great time to sell. Call today and start the selling process. As a U.S. Navy veteran, I am also here to help fellow veterans utilize their VA home loan benefits. Ryan Donahue Real Estate, your trusted partner in real estate success.